Yes, I know. I'm going to take you downstairs in a minute and give you some food. Is that okay? Coco? Would that be okay?